Hello, my name is Sam Ross, and this is the introduction video that was requested. What is your current primary role? Let me see if I have, oh, yay, okay. My current primary role is teacher. I teach junior high and high school math and science. A little bit about me as a person. I'm a second career teacher. My first career was in civil engineering. Then I was a stay-at-home mom, and now I'm a full-time educator. What brought me to tutoring? I did some tutoring while I was getting my master's degree. Really enjoyed meeting students from all over. I kind of live in a small town. And so it was really nice to tutor students from all over. I also really enjoy making math and science accessible to all. For some reason, these are both scary subjects, considered to be hard, and I think the reason that they're considered to be hard is sometimes in academia we make things harder than they should be. And I have no stake in someone thinking that I'm smart, so I'd much rather tell you the tricks of the trade or how to get to where you need to go, and bring kind of those lofty concepts down to where we can all partake. So, and what strength do I bring to where's my thing? Okay. What strength? I'm a natural encourager. And I'm also, this is kind of a strength to a weakness, a super hard worker. I don't really know when to stop. So work-life balance is not something that we have right now, or have ever had. I absolutely love using all the tools that are available to me to help a student come to an understanding and master a subject or concept. But no, when I see a student that is discouraged, sometimes the content has to take a backseat to building the confidence of the student. And I'm not one of those suck it up buttercup kind of people. I am a bright side, silver lining person. Always something to be grateful for. There always is. So thank you so much for this opportunity, and I look forward to learning more about reading and writing.